What's up, Victoria people? We just got finished packing.
Well, we're not finished yet.
No, we just got finished. I just want to show you guys what I did all by myself. Because it's pretty insane if you ask me. Let's go down here. By the way, moved it all the way down these steps. All alone into this garage. See? That boom. Oh, it's a pretty heavy desk if you ask me. Why isn't it focusing? How do you focus on this thing? I don't know how to focus, but this is all courtesy of me. Moved all this stuff by myself. Shoot.
What?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing. Let's just say we're happy I had this on.
Did you break it?
No.
Your neck is all broken out. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Dude. We're gonna take this gym to Kroger. Get some moolah. I'm thinking about at least $1,000. Maybe $1.50. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. That's what we've done all day. Our house kind of looks like what it looked like when we first moved in. Actually, super empty. That's empty. This has been vacant for weeks. And then here's the guest room. I need my friends to help me with that. It's all my blues, my Air Force stuff. Here's the office. That's not gonna fit down the stairs. We gotta take that apart.
I showed him the house when we first moved in.
I'm showing them what it looks like when it's unpacked. Here's our room. This is throwback to what it looked like when we first moved in. Dude, I don't know how to freaking... How do you focus?
Click on the screen. Click tap it. Whatever you want to focus on.
Never works for me. So yeah, need help with that. Need help with this because it's thick. And then this is vacant. Vacant. Huh? Don't step on the carpet.
I'm not. I'm gonna cut stuff on my hands.
Alright. Peace out, guys.
My ears look so big. My ears look big on camera.
Oh. It's okay.
You're supposed to say that they're not big.
They're not big.
They are big.
Camera adds 10 pounds.
Right, there we go. Alright, so, hi guys. If you're wondering why... If you're wondering why we haven't, made a video... Yeah. If you're wondering why I haven't made a video, it's because, I've been working on the house. And Devin's been working, and it's been crazy, but we're finally reaching the end, I think.
See ya, we're done, we're moving out.
No. We're finally reaching the end.
Is there water in here?
No. I'm starving. We have no food at our house. Camera's wet. We have no food at our house, and I'm just like going nuts.
I'm breaking out, dude.
Well, we're gonna go take some trash to the dumpster because we're not allowed to we're not allowed to put trash in our trash can for our final inspection because they'll charge us money, and we're not allowed to put it out unless it's our trash night, which our trash night is Monday night and our inspection is on Friday. So from Monday on, we have been taking our trash to the dumpster, which this is only the second time I've gone. We usually, you could have turned right there and then turn right, yeah. Oh, I meant the next one. probably soaked in sweat right now.
Tell him what I did.
He literally, okay, so his friends are coming over later to help us move stuff downstairs. And he did basically all of it by himself for some reason.
I didn't want to waste their time.
I know, but
time is valuable.
But they're offering to help.
Time is money.
They really wouldn't have cared. I don't know why he did that, but whatever, he got a lot of it done. Because we have to clean our carpets. So we want to put as much as we can in the garage so that when we load our truck tomorrow morning, people don't have to walk with their shoes on the carpet, because we've already cleaned the downstairs carpet, but we haven't done the upstairs yet because we're waiting for it to be empty, if that makes sense. So yeah, we're going to dump some trash, then we're gonna go get some lunch, and then we have to take our router back to Time Warner cable from our internet that we've been using. And I think that's it, right?
Yeah.
Then we gotta go home and keep doing what we were doing. Are you excited to eat your food?
I mean, as excited as you can to eat broccoli.
I got a pasta and it has mushrooms and tomato sauce and cheese and pasta. And he got a Mediterranean power bowl. Stop focusing on you.
And we're gonna pray.
Okay. So we're going through the drive-thru at Winans. Let's see if I can show you guys. Move. Winans is like a chocolate shop.
Just chocolate shop.
Yeah, pretty much. And what did we get, babe?
Got a Buckeye frappe because it's our last day being a Buckeye.
And then what?
And we got a chocolate covered Oreo and a chocolate covered strawberry.
The chocolate covered strawberry is for me.
The Buckeye frappe is in remembrance.
Are you trying to make me cry? I think he's trying to make
We'll
me
never be back. I'm just kidding. Cause they know. Oh, I need my credit card. Of course. What? Can we just go to one place and they say, here's it for free. We don't need your money, sir.
No.
We're in Spectrum. Well, she went to Spectrum. I'm just gonna park. Hold it down. Yeah, we're at the mall. I don't do a lot of shopping. I'm not a really big fan, but Portrait Innovations, Elder Bierman. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of shopping. You know, I don't like spending money per se, but she likes shopping, so you know, happy wife, happy life. You know what I mean, fellas? Any guys watch this?
Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys what our new house looks like in base housing on Eglin Air Force Base. So let's get started. Yep. So this is what you see when you walk into the house. I'll take you guys over that way, but when you first walk in, this is the guest bathroom, well, like the half bath downstairs, and that's all that is, nothing special. And then over here is probably where we'll put our living room, and then our backyard, which just looks like empty, but we have a fence. We didn't have a fence before. And then this is our kitchen, which if you guys watched my last video of our last house, my kitchen was so much smaller, and our house has never been lived in before, so we have like all new appliances nobody's ever used. So I'm really excited about that. And then this is just like a little closet, nothing special. And then over here is our front door. And this is like, I think we're gonna make this a dining room. So there's that. And then we're gonna go up the stairs. And the hallway goes this way and this way. So we'll start over here. This is just a linen closet. This is a guest bath. So it's a lot nicer than what we had at our last house. And there's just that. And then this is the guest bedroom. This is probably where we'll put our guest bedroom furniture. And there's our closet. And then if you walk this way, this is another little guest bedroom. We will probably make this an office of some sort. So, yep, and then there's another closet. Right here, this is nothing special, but this is like where the washer and dryer will go. So we've got that. And then, looks like our thermostat's actually up here. This is our master bedroom. So we've got a ceiling fan. I love having a ceiling fan in our bedroom. And then this is our master bathroom. Looks the same as the other one. And then this is like the little shower and toilet. And then our closet, which is actually a little bit smaller, I think, than what we had before, but that's okay. We can just use the other closets in the house. It's not a big deal. And that's it. I just wanted to show you guys a quick little tour of our house before we move everything in. So we're getting ready to move everything in. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.